In the wake of Bitcoin's 16% drop from its all-time high, whispers of a looming bear market fill the air, and uncertainty grips the market. All eyes are on the critical $61,000 support level. Will Bitcoin plummet to $50,000, signaling the end of the bull run? Or will it defy expectations and rebound? Stay tuned for the unfolding saga. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with, there isn't a single person with a negative opinion on Bitcoin who has spent 100 hours studying it. Less than 2 days to go for the next Bitcoin halving, and if history is an indication, the best is yet to come. Tick tock, we are ready for it. Shout out to Bitcoin bros not crying about being down 14% over the 2 and a half years. Two and a half years. The chart is mostly up and to the right. Don't click links and responses, imposters. Okay, let's go for more. Ask yourself, should I sell Bitcoin right before the halving? What do you think about this one? Will it actually drop or not? We are going to discuss this a little bit later into the video. So Bitcoin important update. A lot of fear, certainty that Bitcoin is going lower, and apparently everyone has a crystal ball. Good. On the weekly time frame, though, Tenkan red is still holding the price and the weekly candle is several days away to close. If Tenkan were to give in, we are not there yet. Then the immediate supports would be $55,400 and $51,000. Next solid support being a Kijun below. Also, big breaking news, spot Bitcoin ETF saw an outflow worth over $165 million yesterday. Are they trying to sell? And they're starting probably to sell right now after the bunch of purchases, so people are losing faith even to the stocks. Bitcoin halving is coming in days. This chart shows you the price action after each halving. Today could be the best time to buy more Bitcoin in your lifetime. Today Bitcoin is trading at $61,000, although its price is destined for $95,000, and I'll see mentioning $95,000 as soon as it becomes obvious to everyone. But before that, I feel responsible to remind you that $95,000 is kinda imminent. Some more liquidity opening highly leveraged longs in a clear downtrend is probably not the best idea right now. Binance Bitcoin USDT liquidation heat map as of the 1 week. New leverages longs are actually opened. Bitcoin halving is here, but crypto is dumping. During each halving event, we witnessed some volatility before or after the halving event. After the recent dump, the structure looks much similar to 2016, where the price took a pullback and went sideways for a few months after the halving event before it started pumping again. Remember, what we've seen so far was recovery until the previous all-time high, and a real bull run starts a few months after the Bitcoin halving. Until then, don't get shaken out. 12 months from now, everyone is going to call you lucky for hodling Bitcoin. They have no fucking idea what you've been through. You held through gut-wrenching drawdowns and watched the entire crypto industry get annihilated. You bet everything at the bottom, but the thing is, you're still buying every single dip. There's no simple way to build the conviction it takes to hodl Bitcoin, and it will turn you into an absolute psychopath. People will think you're crazy for this, and I'll admit, my family probably thinks I'm insane. My relationships probably suffered. My friends probably do not want to talk to me anymore because of it. And it's true, it changes you at a molecular level, and you can't deny it's rebuilding the very fabric of your personality. So don't let anyone tell you you are lucky. You did the fucking work and you sacrificed everything to be here, therapist says. There is $3.4 billion in Bitcoin short liquidity being built above us. There is a big squeeze imminent. See my pinned post to learn more. So liquidity would be swept big time. Don't get swept away. Patience and caution. Shorts are piling on Bitcoin, but that could be a huge mistake for them. Bitcoin Elliott wave update. Bitcoin is looking pretty good with a clear breakout from the base channel, and the price trending was in the steep channel of subwaves currently labeled 1 through 4. Wave 4 has now now tagged to the 0.382 Fibonacci 60k, which is our first target, and has formed the perfect 1:1 ratio of the lengths of waves A and C, and I drew this exactly in the tweet below. So a potential bottom here, though price hasn't completely tested the bottom of the trend channel yet, and in addition it is possible that the price could retest the breakout from the top of the base channel currently around $57,000. So Bitcoin bull market is over, says social data. A bull market filled the air since the beginning of 2024, with Bitcoin reaching the heights of 73,600. However, things have changed as we hear more whispers of a bear market, and it's a change that comes after Bitcoin's value dropped by 16% from its all-time high. Looking at what people are saying, there's less excitement about buying and more talk about the market being in a slump. This might actually be good news in a weird way. In the past, when most traders thought the market will fall and a new bear market begin, it did the opposite. With the Bitcoin halving event coming up, when the reward for mining new Bitcoins is cut in half, some think we might see prices go up again. Analyzing various data points, it becomes obvious that Bitcoin is at a pivotal price level. With the bearish sentiment on the rise, it's becoming clear that a FUD eclipsing the previous fear of missing out, and FOMO could ironically be the precursor to a recovery. On the technical side, the price charts point to important spots. Bitcoin has a soft support level at around 58,500, which it's better not to drop below. It did yesterday, but bears couldn't gain a foothold at around that price level. If it climbs back and stays over this timeline, and it could be a sign of the market stabilization, but it's got a tough climb to get over the $62,000 hill. Breaking past that could signal a swing back to better days. So what's next for Bitcoin? The coming months are in the shade, and the halving could give it a boost because there will be fewer new Bitcoins around. But the sentiment on the market is really questionable, and investors aren't really rushing to provide fresh inflows to the market. Bulls versus bears. Analysts warns of Bitcoin crash to 56,000. On Thursday, Bitcoin experienced further declines amidst ongoing pressure from higher US interest rates and escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Analysts are closely watching Bitcoin's price movement as it approaches a critical moment. The Bitcoin halving, which is expected to happen sometime around April 19th or 20th, and despite attempts to stabilize above 65,000 threshold, Bitcoin's price has struggled, signaling a bearish trend. So crypto analyst Ali Martinez highlighted in an X, formerly Twitter, post on April 18th that Bitcoin had entered the consolidation phase within a defined trading channel, identifying 61,000 as a critical support level. And at the press time, Bitcoin is hovering around the 61,000, a level Martinez considers crucial for its next moves. He suggests that if Bitcoin falls below this level, it could drop to 56,200. On the other hand, if cryptocurrency can rise above 62,300, it could signal a potential upswing to 66,500. After reaching a daily high of approximately 62,210, Bitcoin price today has retraced and is struggling to maintain its price above the $61,000 line. And at the press time, Bitcoin was trading at 61,080, marking a correction of 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Furthermore, the cryptocurrency has experienced a notable decline of 13.85% over the past week, as essentially Bitcoin's climb towards the $70,000 level faced challenges despite the introduction of a spot crypto exchange traded funds in Hong Kong, offering some hope for investors affected by China's crypto ban in 2021. So that's kind of all the information we have on today's video, and if you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.